Hello friends, welcome to learn HTML. Let us create HTML in VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Now let us follow the steps. Don't directly open the VS Code. Just create one folder. Right click on that folder and click open with code. When your folder is open, then now this folder is an empty folder. Therefore click on here, new file. Just click here, give the file name. Suppose file 1, give the extension .html, enter. Now here file1.html is open. Now you have to simply press exclamatory sign and press tab key from keyboard. Now here is the beginning of HTML. Okay, this editor has a ready-made code. Therefore here HTML language is English EN. Now here you can see any tag. Now here we only want to change the title, my file. Okay, now you can see this tag under the head tag. Now let us begin from body tag. Click on this body and type something. Okay, now right click here and click on open with live server to see the preview of your file. Now preview is open in browser. Okay, this is a title and this is a content created in body. Now just press Alt tab to go to the source code, and suppose here you want to change something, click within the body tag, paste, and here suppose we want to set the BG color. Now if this is highlighted, then just press the tab and here you can give the code of color as well as name of color. Suppose here I use orange and just save it and go to your browser again with the help of Alt tab. Now the file is automatically updated. Like this you can create a HTML file by using VS Code. You don't need to refresh the file at every time. Okay, that's all in this video. From next video we will see the HTML tags. Thank you for watching the video.